Alright, what's going on YouTube? So you've probably clicked on this video thinking it is a form of clickbait, like how can I possibly help prevent rust on my truck for free? Well, I'm here to tell you, you can, sort of. If you don't count the water bill, then it's free. So, all you're gonna need is whatever tool takes off the screws to your tail light, whether that be a Torx bit, Phillips, whatever. Alright guys, so mine is a Torx bit. Let's see if it's the right size. Nope, too small. Glad I brought it home. Winner, chicken dinner. Alright, so go ahead. Step one, take your tail light off. I'm going to go ahead and take my lights off. Okay, so this is what you're going to see, and I'm going to try get my light in there. No. Okay, so I'll just try and get you guys in here. So right past your tail light, right here is right there. So that is where all the dirt, salt, debris, and crap sits up and eats through your paint. So all you're going to need to do, I'm going to be using a pressure washer with just the light pressure tip on it. Come in here and spray. And this is it. Just give it a good rinse down. So I want to bring you guys in before it all runs away. Look at the bubbles. Obviously, how would soap get back there? But stuff is trapped back there. That water is disgusting. I'm gonna actually switch tips to the higher pressure because it's not coming out the other side. Let's see. Leave you guys here and see if we can get some nasty water to come out. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Bring it down. The lighting really sucks. Look how disgusting that water is. So that is all stuff that is just sitting trapped up there that you can't reach, especially if you have wheel liners like I do. You can't get up in there. So just go ahead, spray that out. I'm gonna go ahead and keep spraying until I see clear water and I know that all of the dirt and debris and garbage is outside. Do both sides, and there you have it. So that is a quick, easy, free way, pretty much free, to save yourself a lot of money for future rust repair. Just go ahead and take the taillights off and spray right down in that wheel well. So if you liked the video, if you liked the tip, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe. More little how-tos, fun videos to come. Until next time, peace.